Hello friends, Abhishek, welcome you all on my YouTube channel, The Options Desk. So this is continuation to the stock market trading course. So I have already explained what is this terminal and what can you understand from this terminal in this video, understanding the Zerodha Kite platform both on PC and the Android application. So now in this video we will learn about what are the orders, what are the types of orders, and what do they do. So as you can see, you already know how to add script, but let me add it again for you. For like example, ICICI Bank. Yeah, so by clicking the plus, the script is added. So now understanding the orders. So as you can see, this is the market depth. I have already explained what all this is. So now let's click on directly on buy order. So as you can see, when you will click on buy on the laptop, this type of screen will come up. I will the same as this thing in the phone. I will try to merge a video from the phone too in this extended video. So types of orders, understanding this. So MIS means intraday square off, means you have to buy the shares around from 9:15 till 3:30, means you have to square off the position before 3:30. That is your obligation. So you can get an extra leverage. What is the leverage? I will explain in the next future videos. Means if your account is around rupees 1000, you can amplify your account and around 10x or 20x so that you can get leverage. But leverage has one obligation, that it should be, the position should be closed before the 3:30 p.m. So now what is CNC? CNC is cash and delivery trades, means which you want to keep it as an investment or a positional day trading, then you can use the CNC options. So now let's moving to the market. Now these are the levels of prices, these are the levels of types of orders, and these are the levels of prices. Okay, prices means market orders. Like if when the market would be open, like ICICI Bank would be trading around 350, you will see a life change of price here. And when you will click on market, like you want 100 shares on MIS in market orders, so 100 share, whatever the price would be at here, it would be executed at the same current order without any without any delay. So now understanding what is the limit order. As you can see, the limit, you can add a price of your choice. Like for assume like the market is open right now currently, and ICICI Bank is 342. So but I want to only buy when ICICI Bank gets at 300. So I have placed this order and the order will get placed. It will only get executed once I have bought, once the ICICI Bank gets to 300 rupees. So stop loss. So buy on the buy hand, the stop loss is, firstly, if you have bought something and its price starts to fall down, means let's assume I bought ICICI Bank at the level of 350. So what would be my stop loss? Like I am keeping a stop loss of around 20 points. So 330 would be my stop loss. Means what? If the prices go below 330, I would automatically get out with a small loss. Means how much loss would be there? That is around 20 points. 20 points in British, that's 2000 rupees loss on the investment of, I guess, 35,000. So that is my stop loss price for the ICICI Bank. Okay, so now let's see SLM order. Yeah, there are two types of stop loss order. Firstly, stop loss order with the price that you can enter, or which will get triggered and it will get executed at the same current price. It doesn't matter which you have brought or not. So on the other hand, SLM order is the stop loss, or sorry, the SLM order is just SL market order, means it will get executed at the market price. The trigger price will be, like, for example, let's assume there has in a very huge fall, like ICICI Bank declares a scam or anything like that, and there starts to be a very huge fall in ICICI Bank, and it's declined from 350 to 300 in a couple of minutes. So on the SLM order has a 100% surety of getting executed. How will it get executed? Your trigger will be sent at 330, and maybe at that point the 330 is not available, so your order will get executed at 325 or or below 330. It will get executed at below 330, because at the SLM order, once the trigger is sent, either the price will execute at the trigger, the order will get executed at the trigger price, or below the trigger price. So SLM order has a 1000% surety of getting executed. So now understanding the regular order. So when you are day trading, you can select the regular order day. There is no need to change the orders. So now understanding the bracket orders. So as you can see, this is the bracket order, the quantity, price, limit, SL. You can already keep everything into it. So bracket order asks for the absolute price. For example, like I want to buy an ICICI Bank at 350 rupees. So what is my stop loss order? 10. That doesn't mean that 10 is my stop loss order. Stop loss order 10 means that is the absolute value. Means my stop loss is what? 340 rupees. And what is my target? My target is 370 rupees. Trading stop loss means for every move in upside in my towards the target, I will also move my stop loss up. For example, let's assume that it went from 350 to 355. So I will keep in the 5 points as stop loss. So now my stop loss will become 345. Okay, as soon as the market starts moving in my direction, I can keep a trading stop loss, but it is not compulsory. You can keep it or not keep it. So now going to cover order. Cover order is a simple, just you have to buy and stop loss. There is no point in keeping the target price in the cover orders. It is only for the bracket orders. So this are the aftermarket orders that might get executed for the retail investor if they want to place an order after the market. So it will get executed as soon as the market opens. The first order would be sent to the exchange was your order, that is the aftermarket orders. So this is the chance for buying. Now let's switch to selling. You can switch from buying to selling from this area. The blue means for selling. So now what is short selling, I will explain in a new video. So firstly, understanding what is selling. So selling is simply like you want to sell 100 shares of ICICI Bank at the level of 340 assume. Okay, so regular order first you will select. Okay, the market I have already told there is no need to enter the price. On the limit price you have to enter at what particular price you want to sell. So let's assume you want to sell ICICI Bank at 350. Okay, so 100 quantity will be sold as soon as the price of ICICI Bank reaches from 342 to 350. So now a limit price, as you have already entered, that is a limit order. When you will click this, that the information for this order should be at limit order. So stop loss order, for example, you have sold ICICI Bank at 350 and it starts to go down. So what would be my exit points? It starts to go up. So my stop loss order would be 360. Like I've sold it, so I want the ICICI Bank's price to go down than my selling price. Then only I'll get profit. So it starts to move up. So that is around 10 points difference between 350 and 360. So 100 rupees, 1000 rupees is my risk because I brought 100 quantity. So that is the trigger price of ICICI Bank, that is at 360 rupees. Now SLM, I've already told you SLM has a 100% chance of getting executed. So I want a trigger price at 360. May not there. For let's assume very good news comes in ICICI Bank and the stock shoots up. So the chances are that my order SL would not get executed because I have given a fixed price of the limit price of that order. Okay, but on the other hand, SLM is the trigger price which like I want my order to get executed even though whatever happens. So SLM, like for ICICI Bank, starts to jump from 340 to direct 380. So when I've executed my SLM trigger at 360, so the order will automatically get sent that sell 360. So there might be a chance that my order get executed at 370, 380, but it will always get executed at the above the trigger price for selling side. So below the trigger price for buying side and above the trigger price for selling side. So now this everything you have understood. So this is the regular. Now let's move to the bracket orders. As you can see, this is bracket orders all same. So now as you are selling at around 350, what would be my stop loss? My stop loss is 10 rupees. So on the selling side, what would be my stop loss? My stop loss would be 360, not 340. 360 is my stop loss because when I am selling a particular quantity, I don't want the prices to go up. And if it starts to go against my direction, I want to get out at 360. So you have to enter the absolute value. Do not think you will enter 340 here. Do not think that. That means your stop loss would be 10 rupees. If I see ICICI Bank hits 10 rupees in any of the day in near future, that would be your stop loss and you will get out of around, like I would say, 300 rupees of loss, 340 rupees of loss. So always keep the absolute value, that is around 10. Okay, so now my target is, what target I'm keeping? Let's say I'm keeping 20. So what will be my exit points? When the price moves at 330, I will get exit in around 2000 rupees profit, that is 20 points, and the 100 quantities that I have bought. So that is the bracket order I have already explained. So now let's go to the cover order directly. So as you can see, the cover order does not require an upper target price or the upper foundation. You can just place a stop loss and use the cover order in your benefit. I will also try to merge the video of the phone that I will record after this into this. So please, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I will try to do more videos in near future, and you can join me on options. The Telegram, the TradingView, and the OptionsDesk, and the Twitter. And I will after this, there's a video joined on the mobile terminal. Thank you. Hello friends, Abhishek welcome you all on the phone platform of the Zerodha Kite. So here I will explain the orders. I have already explained the web platform as you have watched the video. So now let's go. So as you can see, I've added the Tata Skill script. So this terminal I've already explained. As you can see, this is the terminal. So now let's directly go to the orders. So buy orders, everything is same. Like market orders, firstly you have to, this is the normal when you will see at like this. So I have already explained the CNC and MIS. So do not confuse in CNC or NRML. NRML and CNC are almost same. Okay, so there is CNC. I have shifted to CNC, means the order will get executed at the market price, that is 284.85 if I am trying to buy 100 shares of the Tata Steel. So you can place a limit order. You have to enter the price here. I want to get executed at 290. So I will buy a Tata Steel at the level of 290. Regular order, bracket order I have already explained. So here you will enter the absolute value. I want the stop loss to be 10 rupees, the target to be 20 rupees. So what is my target now? Target is at 310 and the stop loss is at 280. So trading stop loss I want of 5 rupees. If the price moves in my direction of rupees 5, I want stop loss to be jumped to 5 rupees more. Means if it goes to 295, my stop loss would be 285 rupees. So this is the same. And stop loss order I have already explained. You have to, in the stop loss order, you have to keep the stop loss level, not the trigger. Like I want to keep it is a normal stop loss order if you want to place it separately. So I want to keep a stop loss order at 80. So it should be regular. Firstly, don't do anything like DO or anything like that. So just place a stop loss order and the trigger should be at 280. So when the price reaches at 280, once my order is executed of buy, then only the stop loss order will be triggered. So on the other hand, let's try to SLM order. So this is the SLM order that is around the level of 2, let's see 70. So if the Tata Steel gets a very short or the sharp fall in the near future, so my SLM order would get executed at 70. So order would be sent to NSE at 270. There might be chances that the price is trading below it, so my order will get executed, means it has a 100% chance that I will get exited of the position that I am facing a currently loss in. So cover orders, as you already know, that is a stop loss trigger. You want to enter a stop loss at around 275. So you can enter the correct value or the market price difference rather than the absolute value. This is the stop loss you have placed. So this cover order is only used for stop loss, and bracket order is used for both stop loss and target. So as I have already explained for the buy side, now let's directly move to the sell side. By clicking Tata Steel again, you can go for sell options. Same everything is here. Sorry, regular order for shifted 2, you get CNC. CNC means you can hold for a limited period of time. MIS has an obligation to square off today itself, means before 3:30 p.m. Market orders will be applicable or placed at the direct market price and it will get executed immediately. Limit order would be executed at the price that you want. So now shifting to bracket order. Bracket order is always placed in MIS. It cannot be placed in the carry forward or CNC position. Bracket order stop losses, same absolute values, and trading stop losses. There's an trading or stop losses option. It means you want to place or you don't want to place, just keep it at 0.0. So there would be nothing like that. Okay, so SL is already, you know what is SL order. You want to place an SL order. Just firstly, if you're placing SL order, do not think that this is a B order has been selected. Try to select a regular SL order. So I want to place an SL order at 280. So my stop loss would get executed at 280 levels. So you can also place a trigger. So that is a trigger price, means at the trigger price I want that order should be sent for the executed of the 280. My Tata Steel position should get executed at minus 4 rupees loss if I'm buying at 284.85. So now shifting to bracket orders, as you already know. Now shifting to directly cover orders. Cover orders, you have to place the value of, let's see, I want to place a value of 270. So cover orders, it will get executed at this particular market price. I can shift to a limit cover order if I want to sell something at the level of the cover, so the stop loss for the cover order would be not 270 but it would be 290, because I am placing a sell order. So the sell, if I am placing a sell order, I don't want the prices to go up. If the prices are trying to go up, means they are going against me, means they are going against my direction, so I want to book a loss. So the stop loss for the sell price or the sell positions are always above their sold price. So this is the normal order. So when explaining an order of aftermarket order, you can place this order as soon as the market will open. There is a chance that your order get executed or you not get executed in the first 5 to 7 minutes. So this is the basic order book, and you can view your orders in the kite by the pending orders which are not getting executed and the executed order. So make sure you always check the executed and pending orders. So there might be a chance that you have forgot an order and it gets executed, so you can end up in very much huge losses. So if you like this video, so please like and subscribe. I will try to make more videos in near future. Thank you.